Hi Pooja, good evening.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Yes. So can you just turn on your video?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we as the ultimate coders inviting you for your mock interview. So
Thank
let's
you, sir.
start.
Yes, sir.
So can you just tell me about yourself?
Yes, sir. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to getting myself. My name is Kalse Pooja Rajiv, and I am post-graduated from SRTM University.
Okay. So can you just tell me about your strengths and weaknesses?
Sir, I don't have any weakness, sir.
Okay. So what is HTML?
Sir, HTML is a hypertext markup language.
Yes. And what is SAS?
SAS is a synthetical, awesome style sheet.
And what are the features of SAS?
The features of SAS is nesting, mixing, variables, components.
Okay. So we should use CSS or SAS?
Both of, sir.
No, means if I ask you about
Yes,
should we use CSS or SAS in our project, so what will you suggest?
I will suggest for SAS, sir.
Why?
SAS is more comfortable and SAS is more comfortable than CSS.
Why? CSS is easy, no? Comfortable to write.
No, sir. SAS is easy.
SAS is
Easy to write a code.
okay. No, CSS is easy, no? There we don't have any variables, mixins, just we select an element and we'll write. So that is easy.
Sir, for a small term project, we can use CSS. If we have a long term project, then we have to use, we should use SAS, sir.
Yes, correct. But why? Why for long-term projects we should use SAS?
Sir, suppose we have to change some conditions or some statement, so we can easily find the particular CSS in the SAS.
Okay. Can you just tell me the difference between SAS and Bootstrap?
Sorry, sir.
Okay. So how we include audio and video in HTML?
Using audio tag and video tag, sir.
Yes. What are the difference or what is the difference between HTML4 and HTML5?
Sir, HTML4 doesn't support audio video files without flex, and HTML5 supports uh, audio video, and we can use uh, tags HTML5.
Okay. So what is canvas in HTML?
Canvas.
Yes.
I'm sorry, sir. I don't know about Canvas.
Okay. What is the difference between inline elements and a block level elements?
Inline element always start on same line, and we cannot apply margin with 4 direction. We cannot apply width also left and right. In the block level element in case, we can apply margin uh, 4 direction and width also, and block level element is always start a new line. Am I right, sir? Hello?
Sorry, I was on mute. Yes. So examples.
Examples. Images are the inline elements, sir.
Okay, and
Sorry, sir.
okay. Can we make a block level element as an inline element?
Sir, yeah, repeat your question, please.
Can we make a block level element as inline element?
Yes, sir, we can make.
How?
How? With breaking tags or HR tag, BR tag.
No. Okay, fine. What is JavaScript?
JavaScript is a programming language.
Okay. What are the features of ES6?
ES6 provide us some functions like for each map filter.
Okay. And
And promise and fetch, sir. Also.
okay. So you said promise. What is a promise?
Yes. Promise is a JavaScript object which gives us some data for the future.
What is asynchronous JavaScript?
So asynchronous JavaScript also JavaScript object which help us to sorry, sir.
Okay. What is a callback function?
Callback function is sir.
Okay. What is the arrow function?
Arrow function is the short-term method of JavaScript, which is help to short the code.
Okay, and what is the purpose of this keyword?
This keyword is always pointed to the closest object.
Okay, and where should we not use this keyword?
We cannot use this keyword in the arrow function, sir.
In the
Arrow function.
okay, and what is the local storage and global storage?
These two storages useful to store some data from the user.
What is the difference between both?
In the local storage, data doesn't get expired, sir, and session storage data will expire when page sir, just a minute. मच्छर चावल देखो एक minute.
Okay, so what is the difference between local storage and session storage?
The data of local storage doesn't get expired, sir, and
In session storage,
data will clear after page down.
okay, and so this is about local storage, global storage. No? So
Yes.
why we use json.parse method?
Json.parse method we use for converted JavaScript object to JSON.
Okay, JavaScript object to
In the form of JSON data, sir.
you are saying reverse. Why we use json.stringify then?
Sorry, sir.
Okay. What is callback function?
A function is passed as a argument or parameter.
The function
Function is passed as an argument or parameter.
okay, and what is the difference between slice and splice method?
In splice method, the particular element will be written in the same array, sir. And the slice method gives a new array.
But what is the purpose of both? Why we use slice and why we use splice?
I know that, sir, but
Okay, fine. So, do you know what is means Ajax?
Ajax.
Yes.
I heard about it, but
Okay.
I
Means you learned
don't know that.
about XML HTTP request.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will share you one link. You have to call that and get that data and bind to the table. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You can share your screen. Till that time, I will share you a link.
Yes, sir.
I have shared you. Just call this, get the data and show me on the table.
sir. Hello, sir.
Yes. Show me. Did you got the data?
No, sir.
Unexpected token means you are just making a syntax error. Something you are not closing if condition or function like that. After 12, one more
Yes, sir.
curly. Yes. Okay, so now you have to write here. Get the data here.
Sorry, sir.
No, you are doing in a correct way.
But next step, I forget about it.
Think just you have to console the data here.
No, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, you have to print just a response text.
In bracket.
Yes, console.log xhr.response text.
No, sir. Something went wrong.
Save response text. Response text text and remove that do not one condition. Text T capital. Yes. Remove that condition. Yes. Remove that brackets. Save. Refresh. Your API call is not console. Open console. I think error is there. Undefined. I think you wrote something wrong. Show me the code. Open method name. Where is a method name? Method name. Where did you declare method name? You have called their function 17 number at 17 number line, and at the 6 number line you have passed the some parameters.
What kind of parameters, sir?
What is the second parameter you have given in that?
API URL.
Yes. So what is your API URL?
The base URL, sir. Is it correct, sir?
Yes, you got the data.
Yes,
You have to bind it to the table.
sir. I'm not able to bind, sir.
Why? It is easy. You have the array, just you have to bind it.
Sorry,
Okay,
sir.
fine. Okay. So here we come to the end of your interview. So do you have any questions for me?
No, sir. I don't
Okay.
have anyone.
Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.